Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Wednesday on this beautiful 13th of September, which is going to be the start of the phase 4. I'm so excited for today to meet a bunch of you today. Again, it's unbelievable. It just felt like yesterday, right? That we just had the on-site. Now all of a sudden it's right around the corner, and I feel it's going to be bigger and better than ever before that we've done. So I look forward to really talking to you guys, being there. And also, for some of you that will not be there, remember you could always access the webcast. So if you're not going to enjoy the festivities, at least you can enjoy the education, because that's what it's all about. When we come here for Phase 4, it's all about trading together. And like I said, a lot of you here that are in the morning meeting and the afternoon meeting, you'll hear a lot about it, and we'll talk about it. But you don't want to miss this opportunity. This is where we take your trading to the next level. Now, bunch of things coming up today, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously, we'll talk about what we traded yesterday. We're going to do some shopping on what's going on today. A lot of events going on for today, though. We got two big events going on. First of all, at 12 o'clock, we need to recruit new traders. And also, I'm going to be talking about, which is very, very important to a lot of us. Let me just bring up a browser up here. CTU. I'm going to constantly keep bringing it up because I really want you guys to be there. But the Super Summit, we're going to talk a lot about that this after at the 12 o'clock meeting. Some of my best friends in the industry that I've known for years. And let me tell you, I was very, very selective of actually going out there and being part of this because, listen, there's a lot of people that educate, but there's not a lot of good traders out there. So I'm going to talk about this at 12 o'clock. And then also at 1 o'clock, we have Traders Talk, which is, Josh is going to be talking about to answer your questions in great detail. It's, great event. So two big events. And then I will hopefully be seeing everyone at 5 o'clock for the soiree that's going to be at the hotel at the Great Neck Inn. And by the way, so I know a lot of you are already traveling. Some of you are already there. Some of you are already going to be heading on your way. So I look forward to seeing you. Some of you are actually in your car doing this and watching on the plane, which is awesome. So I look forward to seeing you all there. All right, so just a heads up, a lot of going on now. All right, so let's talk about it's going to be very, very busy here, Grant. Listen, Grant, I told everybody this back in July and August. The busiest and the most profitable and the best time to trade is September, October, and November. All right, a lot of events going on, a lot of education going on, a lot of money to be made. So you guys don't want to miss that great opportunity. Listen, I say it all the time. Those 3 months, you could just trade those 3 months, and you could take the rest of the 9 months off. That's how volatile and how much fun it is. All right, so let's talk about what did make some nice moves yesterday. There were a couple of nice little interesting stocks. First, let's start off with the AEMD trade. That one was a very, very inexpensive stock. It had great pre-market trading, beautiful Fausto flag, and right at the gate, you could see that if you didn't get it when you're supposed to be in it at 8:30 and you chased it at 263, and you couldn't figure that one out. We're going to talk a little bit about that on our strategies in Phase 4. Look at that, right from $3, boom, right to $3.75. A lot of you were done just on that one trade alone. And then obviously you could see you can't go broke taking profits because look where it is right now. It's funny. I get people who always say to me, they're like, oh, yeah, but – and you'll see this today in the free webinar. People says, oh, but where is it right now? I'm like, sir, we were day trading, not swing trading. Do you know the difference? And a lot of people don't know the difference. So that's the funny part. So when you come there today, guys, at 12 o'clock, remember, it's all about recruiting, get more traders so we could train them. It helps us all make more money, but you also get a great laugh. I mean, it's so fun. SAG, another one. SAGE, I liked this stock a lot yesterday. It got destroyed, went from 90 to 65. And you could see it clear as day on the long term. It was testing major supports. And nice little dead cat bounce on that one right there. Only problem, it was in the 4 category, all right? So I know a lot of you are not level 4 traders, but you're going to get there. It's okay. Don't worry about it. We're going to get there. So, but you could see that the grass is definitely greener on the other side when you build your experience, and there you have a really good winner. I mean, do the math, guys. 66 to 76, it's a $10 move. All right? Great move right there. Another stock that also we've been doing really great with. It had a little spike up, and now obviously a little tracing, and you could see it breaking lower lows. Something we learn all the time, you know. But TVA was a nice little short yesterday. Stock backed off, and then the NK trade. Another stock that was up huge, went from 750 up to $20, and then boom, came right down from 18 to 14. Remember what we always say, whatever goes up comes down twice as fast. All right? So that's what you missed yesterday, everybody. Now let's get right into it and talking about moving what's going on this morning. Now, listen, I didn't see a lot going on this morning, okay? There were a couple of ones out there, but not that much. So I'm not really ecstatic what's going on this morning. I mean, you have a stock like this one, the BVXV pharmaceutical stock. It's up. It's got decent pre-market, decent volume, but it's very spotty, you know. I'll throw it on the watch list, the BVXV. Oops, I spelled it wrong on my piece of paper. BVXV. A lot of V's and X's. But the only problem with this one is, you know, a 20% in the biggest percentage gainer on the NASDAQ. Come on, that's not really impressive. All right, not really impressive at all. All right, here you have another stock, ALDX, another medical stock. You could see it, you know, basically testing. You know, it shows it's up 70 cents, but you know what? Where is it? It's hovering right at the resistance levels of yesterday, which kind of makes that a scratch. Okay, now we're dropping down to the 6th percentile. Okay. And you know, anything on the 5%, I'm not really interested. But FINL, I mean, listen, you could see it had some great trending yesterday. It's gapped up pretty nicely this morning. It's not up huge. But you know what? We're going to be really desperate this morning. Not a really good list of stocks when it comes to trading. BLDP, this is the battery operated. I think BLDP and Plug are in the same business, right? I think, let me see. Plug is the same thing. Plug. That's up. Yeah, shocking. That's not up either. But they're in the same business. But BLDP, we've traded the stock in the past. BLDP, great level 1 stock. Everyone could afford to trade it. But not only it's been a great level 1, shockingly, it's been a great swing trade. So it's been creeping up. It's backed off in the pre-market. It gapped up pretty high from yesterday's close. But listen, what is what it is. Got to take what you can get. Not a lot out there. Sorry about that. Had to sneeze right there. All right, so losers, nothing there on the losers, so no dead cat bounces there. On the New York Stock Exchange, you know, you had this one little stock right here, very cheap little stock, TEUM. Stock went from $4 down to about 50 cents. Some of you remember we traded the stock in July. The stock went in one day, went from 70 cents all the way to $1.70. And you know, at least it's over the dollar. I don't like stocks under the dollar because then it breaks down to tenths of a penny. But this one is trending up nicely, decent volume of 21%. I mean, so far this is my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna put a little star next to that one. JWN gapped up pretty big but backed off. All right, so we're gonna scratch that one also. And then right now, anything lower than that is below 5%. So those are all scratches, no volatility. So what we got? We got 4 stocks, guys. That's not a lot for a Wednesday. This is usually hump day, and on a day like this, you thought we'd probably do better. But you know what? If we just get one of these moves, like I said, this stock, this one looks really nice. Just got to have the game plan and focus at breaking that resistance levels, which is where it's at right now. If it breaks that resistance, you know, the stock can go almost close to the 40s. So you know, we still got some room. You can see stock took a huge hit. I think this was a stock split right here. But it's making a little bit of a comeback. You know, I like it. Look, it's already at $1.22. So far, I think this is the best going through. But listen, this is what we got. We got to work what we have. And we all know when the market opens up, we always find something new that will come out of the gate, and we'll make some big moves. All right? So we'll just work on that. All right, everybody? Anything I'm missing I did not call out? Benito's just telling me, he says, look at that, that's at $1.23. Benito says the BCRX has got a good move. You know, the BCRX, it does got a good move. It just popped right now. I'll throw that in there. It looks like it broke yesterday's resistance levels right around there at 555. I'll throw that in there, Benito, okay? BCRX. You know, listen, it's not the greatest, but it's got some good volatility there. It looks like it's moving pretty nicely. All right, anything else that we're missing? Anything else? All right, so we got that. Guys, listen, have a very safe trip. I look forward to seeing you for the soiree. It is going to start at 5 to 7 in one of the lounges at the hotel. So look forward to seeing you all there, and then we're going to get ready to start trading live. And for everybody else, remember today two big events: one at 12 o'clock, and one at 1 o'clock with Traders Talk with Josh Leviton. Okay, guys. So look forward to seeing you all there. A lot of stuff going on, so it's been pretty busy. So just get prepared. All right. So try not to plan anything. Remember, we're here to learn if you want to earn. Good luck, everyone, today. Happy trading.